Welcome back to Travel Tree. Are you planning to move to Canada or visit for work, study, or to reunite with family? If so, you're in the right place. Today's video will dive into the latest announcements from the Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada (IRCC) regarding visa processing times. These updates are crucial for anyone hoping to travel to Canada, as understanding current processing times can significantly affect your plans. With international travel and immigration showing signs of recovery, many applicants are eagerly awaiting the latest information to help them plan effectively. In this comprehensive overview, we will dissect the current processing times for key visa categories, compare them with previous trends, and analyze how these changes impact applicants from different countries. So, don't forget to subscribe to Travel Tree to stay updated on all the latest immigration insights and tips. Let's get started. Current visa processing times. As of the latest IRCC updates, processing times for various visa categories have shown notable changes. Here's a breakdown of the current processing times by visa type and comparisons to previous periods. 1. Study permit processing times. Current processing time, approximately 6 to 12 weeks. Previous processing trends. In the last quarter, the processing time was about 4 to 8 weeks, reflecting a significant increase in demand due to the introduction of new academic programs and the reopening of borders post-pandemic. As a result, applicants should expect longer waiting times, particularly from countries with high application volumes. Implications. For international students, this means that students need to apply earlier than before, as delays may affect their academic schedules. 2. Work permit processing times. Current processing time ranges from 2 to 6 months, depending on the type of work permit. Previous processing trends. The average processing time for work permits was around 1 to 3 months earlier this year. The extension in processing times reflects the high volume of applications as Canada seeks to fill labor shortages in multiple sectors. Implications. Labor market impact. Employers hiring international workers must factor in extended timelines to avoid disruptions in their hiring processes. 3. Visitor visa processing times. Current processing time, approximately 2 to 4 months. Previous processing trends. In previous updates, processing times for visitor visas hovered around 1 to 3 months. The delay is attributed to increased tourism and travel applications as pandemic restrictions have eased. Implications. For tourists and business travelers, those planning trips need to factor in these longer processing times to ensure their travel plans are not disrupted. 4. Family reunification visa processing times. Current processing time, typically around 4 to 8 months. Previous processing trends. Last year, the processing time for family reunification visas was around 3 to 6 months, indicating a notable increase in processing time due to a rise in applications reflecting Canada's ongoing commitment to family reunification. Implications. Emotional impact. Longer wait times can be particularly difficult for families eager to reunite, emphasizing the need for proactive application strategies. Country-specific insights. The processing times may vary significantly depending on the applicant's country of origin. Let's look at a few country-specific comparisons. 1. India. Current study permit processing, 10 to 14 weeks, an increase from 6 to 8 weeks. Visitor visa, 3 to 5 months, previously 1 to 2 months. Work permit, 4 to 8 months, previously 2 to 4 months. 2. Pakistan. Current study permit processing, 8 to 12 weeks, up from 4 to 6 weeks. Visitor visa, 3 to 5 months, previously 2 to 3 months. Work permit, 4 to 6 months, previously 3 months. 3. Philippines. Current study permit processing, 6 to 10 weeks, up from 3 to 5 weeks. Visitor visa, 2 to 4 months, previously around 1 month. Work permit, 4 to 6 months, previously about 2 months. As of the latest announcement from the IRCC, here is a detailed breakdown of the processing times for various visa categories from African countries, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh. 1. Study permits. Current processing time. Africa, approximately 8 to 14 weeks. Sri Lanka, approximately 6 to 12 weeks. Bangladesh, approximately 6 to 10 weeks. Comparison with previous changes. In previous months, study permit processing for Africa ranged from 4 to 8 weeks, indicating a significant increase due to the rise in applications as students seek to enroll in Canadian educational institutions. For Sri Lanka and Bangladesh, the previous processing times were around 4 to 8 weeks, showing a similar increase in demand and the need for more thorough application processing. Implications. Given these longer processing times, applicants in these regions need to apply earlier than before to align with academic start dates. 2. Work permits. Current processing time. Africa, ranging from 3 to 7 months depending on the type of work permit required. Sri Lanka, approximately 4 to 8 months. Bangladesh, approximately 3 to 6 months. Comparison with previous changes. Earlier this year, processing times for work permits in Africa were around 2 to 4 months, while Sri Lanka and Bangladesh were closer to 2 to 5 months. The increase reflects Canada's ongoing labour market demands and heightened scrutiny in the application process. Implications. Employers looking to fill positions with foreign talent must be aware of these extended wait times and plan their hiring processes accordingly. 3. Visitor visas. Current processing time. Africa, approximately 3 to 5 months. Sri Lanka, approximately 2 to 4 months. Bangladesh, approximately 3 to 4 months. Comparison with previous changes. Previously, visitor visa processing times were around 1 to 3 months across these regions. The longer wait times can be attributed to a surge in tourism activities and the desire of individuals from these countries to visit Canada as travel restrictions have eased. Implications. Applicants planning to visit Canada for tourism or business should factor in these processing timelines to ensure they apply with adequate lead time. 4. Family reunification visas. Current processing time. Africa, generally 8 to 12 months. Sri Lanka, approximately 6 to 10 months. Bangladesh, approximately 6 to 9 months. Comparison with previous changes. In previous updates, processing times for family reunification visas were around 5 to 7 months. The recent increase reflects both a rise in applications and a more rigorous review process aimed at ensuring compliance with immigration laws. Implications. Families eager to reunite may face longer waiting periods, underscoring the importance of accurate and thorough applications. Comparing changes over time. The changes in processing times reflect a clear trend of increasing wait times across various categories, primarily due to increased applications. The demand for visas has surged as travel resumes, and Canada continues to attract large numbers of international students, tourists, and skilled workers. Enhanced scrutiny, a heightened focus on ensuring compliance with immigration regulations has also contributed to longer processing times, necessitating thorough verification. Planning ahead as an applicant. With these changes in mind, here are some practical tips for applicants to effectively plan their applications. Apply early. Given the extended processing times, it's crucial to apply as early as possible, especially for study permits and work permits. Complete applications. Ensure all forms and documents are filled out accurately to avoid delays due to requests for additional information. Monitor updates. Regularly check the IRCC website for updates on processing times or changes in immigration policies that could affect your application. Stay informed about trends. Understanding the overall trends in processing can help you better gauge the timing of your application and adapt your plans accordingly. Conclusion. As you embark on your immigration journey, staying informed and prepared will empower you to navigate the process successfully. We hope this video has clarified the current state of applications and provided you with the insights you need. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to the Travel Tree channel for more updates on Canadian immigration and travel. Your support helps us provide useful content to assist you in your journey. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your immigration plans.